My last example here is Multipath radar. This is, I think, a great example of what we do here at IDA, where on one hand we're doing something that may be very sensitive or even classified. In this case, it was a project that turned out using classified data. This was down at the test range down at Pax River. Multipath, by the way, is just looking at multiple bounces from the radar back to your receiver and just saying, okay, where's my target now, right? You don't know exactly where the target is. So again, what do we do well? Put the equation down. Try to look what feeds into those equations. What are the different components of that, and how can I impact that? Where can I make changes? So here's some data, and this was nice. I mentioned initially that this was a very sensitive project because it was actually looking at aircraft. Well, once you start looking at a particular aircraft, obviously it gets very sensitive very quickly and classified in many ways. So therefore, they had to come up with an experiment, and they did this, and it was shown right here where they took a kite and flew a calibrated sphere up over the water down at Pax River. And they were able to collect radar data based on that calibrated sphere. And here, this is their model. You could see the measured data is dotted line, and there's the solid data in the solid line there. And you could see their model actually works pretty well, fairly good. What's nice about this is that they were able to take this information and then once they did this, put it into a paper and actually publish it in IEEE. And so, you know, that's something that I think where, again, we as scientists here at IDA, it's very important to think about, well, how do we get our word out? Because if you, for example, just looked at the original testing and information that they were looking at and it was all sensitive and classified, nothing would ever get out there. Nobody would know that they were able actually to solve a very important problem. But in this particular case, they were able to abstract out what were the scientific interesting aspects of that problem and publish it.